remember the day you came into this world. I held you close, my heart brand new. In your tiny hands I saw tomorrow. Every dream I now carry is you. I wasn't perfect, I made my mistakes, but I promised one thing that day: no matter how hard this life may get, I'll guide you, I'll show you the way. My son, my pride, my heart, my name. You carry my strength, you carry my flame. If the road gets hard and you feel alone, remember my love will bring you home. My son, my pride, my reason to stand. I'll always be here holding your hand. There will be days when the world feels heavy, when you doubt yourself inside. But listen closely to my voice. You were born to rise, not hide. Be kind, be strong, stand for what's right. Even when no one agrees, your character matters more than gold. That's the man I pray you'll be. My son, my pride, my heart, my name. You carry my strength, you carry my flame. If the road gets hard and you feel alone, remember my love will bring you home. My son, my pride, my reason to stand. I'll always be here holding your hand. My son, my pride. As you grow and change, the world may try, but don't lose your faith. No matter how far your journey goes, you'll never walk it on your own. My son, my pride. I'm proud of you.